It's a good question. A lot of people struggle with this as well, trying to attach files from their computer, in this context, a MacBook Pro, which, by the way, I'm using a MacBook Pro as well, to their Gmail. Let me show you what you can and can't do and help you to make this happen. First of all, if you're having problems attaching any files, even small files, I would recommend you clear your Chrome cache. If you're using Chrome, clear your browsing data. If you're using Firefox or Mozilla, if you're using any other browser, and if you're not able to attach any files to Gmail, even small files, I would clear your browsing data. That would be my recommendation. But let's assume that's not the problem here. Let me go set this scenario up. I want to send an email message. I'm going to send it to I'll make it full screen so you can see it better. I'm going to send it to Teddy Burris at Burris Consulting. Files for website. Here are the files. Now, if I go get a document, if I click on the attach right down here, if I click on the attach files, and if I go to Dropbox and I'm going to go to purchased images, these are images that I have purchased, I have permission to use. You'll see that this image right here is 16.8 megabytes. And you can see that this image is 15 megabytes. Now, if I go to attach that image, it'll work fine because it's less than 25 megabytes. However, let me remove that. Let me add and do this again. Let me get this image, which is 16.8 megabytes, and this image, which is 15. You add that up, it's greater than 25. Let me get two of the images together and hit open. Watch what happens. Larger files must be shared with Google Drive. Attachments larger than 25, individual attachments or groups of files that are a sum is greater than 25, will be automatically uploaded to Google Drive. A download link will be included in your emails. I say, good, I got it. And you can see it's converting them, putting them in Google Drive. And then those are now links that are in Google Drive. Again, whether the individual file was greater than 25 or both of them together is greater than 25, it gets saved in Google Drive as a link for the recipient to download. Let me send that and show you what happens. So it's saying I need to share these with Teddy Burris, which is who I'm sending this email to, and I'm going to say send. Now, let me go to his email and look and see what he got. And there's the email that got sent. And if I open that, you'll see it's actually showing the attachments that are shared in Google Drive. That's pretty cool. And there's the link right there. And if I click on that, and it opens this document in Google Drive, and I have the ability right there to download it. And if I close this, brings me back to the email, hover over the image, I can actually click on the download icon right there. This in the same way, hover over the image and click on the download icon right there. If I hover over this, the only thing I can do is click on it. This would be the easiest way to download those images. Let me go back to where this email was sent from. Again, if you're sending emails with attachments, if the file or the group of the files are greater than 25 megabytes, it's going to force you to it's going to automatically put the images in your Google Drive, and it's going to send those images as a link, but give the user the ability to download those directly. If you're not able to do that, clear your cache. Maybe try a different browser and see if that solves your problem. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.